Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 52 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to create forms inside of Adobe InDesign. So right now, in order to create form, I'm just gonna take in my text tool. I'm just going to make sure that to align the main design right here. So I'm gonna go over here into my let's say for example view, and over here into grids and guides I'm going to say show document grid, just like this, and I'm gonna also enable snap to grid right here just so that I can draw. So now what I can do is I can simply drag and I can then type in, this is gonna be my first name, just like that, and over here onto this section right here, this is gonna be my last name, just like that. And over here onto this section, this is gonna be my, let's say for example, address. All right. So now in order to create a form, what I can simply do is I can select this rectangular frame right here, and then I can just click and drag the form just like this. So I can click and drag over here. So this is gonna be for the first name. This is gonna be for the last name right here. Okay, and this is gonna be for the address, just like that. All right, so bigger space for address. And I want to convert all of these into buttons first, so I'm gonna go into buttons and forms, and I'm gonna go into type, and this is gonna be a text field. So this is gonna be first name, I'm gonna type it in. All right, and then you can also add in actions right here, but this is actually nothing else. So I'm also gonna select this, so this is gonna be a text field as well, and this is gonna be my last name section. Okay, let me go over here. This is gonna be my last name section, and this is gonna be my address section. So this is gonna be my text field again, and this is gonna be an address, just like ADDRESS, address. All right, there you go. So I can also create a button right here. So I want to create a reset button, so I'm gonna go over here and drag it out. So I'm gonna change the color of this into something like, let's say this one, and something like this over here, just like that. All right, so now what I want to do is I'm gonna go into type, and then I'm gonna change this into a button right here. So on click, what I want to do is I'm gonna clear the form. So just go over here and click on clear form. All right, so now I'm going to export this out. So I'm just going to align these out as well onto something like center, just like that, and I'm gonna export the frame right here. So I'm gonna go to file, I'm gonna go to export, and then export this as an interactive PDF, replace it, yes, and I can also select the viewing option, so I can actually go for actual size or fit the page. All right, so I'm gonna just go over here, and you can even choose the layout. So anyways, I'm gonna export this, and you can see that I have the form ready. So now I can actually click on it. So, and then you can see that I can type in my first name, like I can type in tutor, and then on the last name I can press tube, just like this, and on the address I can press YouTube. All right, so YouTube tutor tube. All right, and I can click this, and you can see that it actually erases my form, just like that. So you can see that you can easily create interactive PDFs by the use of Adobe InDesign quite easily. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.